back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and give me a little feedback by giving me a comment and post notifications on so you can be notified every single time I post. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my free tress braiding here, and it's the crochet set, and it's the water wave in 22 inches, and I have my beeswax, my eco styling gel, and I'm gonna just unravel these curls in the hair so my twist can be really nice and full. Now I'm taking my crochet needle, sorry guys, and I'm just gonna twist the hair so it can fit onto the crochet needle. And I'm gonna close my needle and pull the needle under the hair and the rubber band. Does that make sense? Because I'm horrible at explaining stuff, guys. So I'm just gonna keep pulling the hair through. And I already parted my hair off and put the rubber bands in. And I did half of my head off of camera because this process was so long. So I'm just gonna make like a little hole in the hair, kinda. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a little hole, and I'm gonna pull that piece of hair through the hole and pull it until I get a knot. And I'm gonna take the other side of the hair and I'm gonna pull it until I get a knot. And I want it nice and tight, so my passion twist will not fall out. This is really easy, guys, really simple. And it's not that hard. You can do this yourself. It's so easy, guys. I'm just gonna keep pulling until I get my my twist nice and tight. And disclaimer, if my parts are crooked, that's because I did my whole head and I couldn't see the back of my head. So some of my parts is a little crooked, y'all. Bear with me. But I made it through. And I'm just taking a little bit of beeswax so my twist will hold, and I'm just gonna twist my hair nice and tight. Make sure you get all your hair in a twist. I'm just gonna twist nice and tight. And make sure you twist upward and then twist downward. And that locks the twist in, and your hair will not fall out of the twist. And it will be secure and locked in. Okay, I'm gonna explain this again. We're gonna go through this one more time. Okay, I'm gonna stick the crochet needle under the rubber band. Look like I'm struggling through here, and I'm gonna do the same method I did before. Twist the hair, stick it onto the crochet needle, lock that needle in, and pull the needle through. Simple, guys. Pull it through, get that little loophole, and I'm gonna pull the hair through the hole and make a nice tight knot by pulling the other side of the hair, and I'm just gonna make a nice tight knot, guys. Keep pulling. And this style is good if you're going on vacation or you just don't want to do your hair. You just want to keep it in a protective style for 2 weeks, maybe 3. And again, I'm getting my beeswax and my eco styling gel. I just mix that together. and I part my hair in two sections. And I'm going to begin twisting the hair together. Really simple, guys. You can do this at home. And this is a really pretty style. I love this style. This is my first time actually trying this style on my hair. And I have to say, I did an excellent job, guys. Okay, now I'm just gonna speed this up, just let you get a little glance of how I twist. Hold up, that don't even make sense, guys. I'm just gonna speed this up. I don't think I'm even talking on this part. And just let you guys see it one more time. Just for the people that just like to see it one more time. Show you guys one more time. I love you guys so much. And yeah, keep watching. Okay, guys, so I'm twisting all the way down. I'm twisting downward, and then I'm twisting upward just to lock that twist in so I can get it nice and tight. And you want to twist all the way down. And this is the finished look. Guys, nice passion twist. This is so easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.